Hello everybody, hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. Now we are going to discuss an important problem connected to linear equations of single variable. It is also known as simple equations. So here the question is nothing but solve x minus n by m minus x minus m by n is equal to m by n, where mn is not equal to 0. Since they said here m into n not equal to 0, the variable is nothing but x. We have to solve for the variable x to get the solution. Let us follow now. So LHS there are two terms and RHS one term. Let x minus n by m minus x minus m by n is equal to m by n. Let us mark as equation 1. LHS, you have a fraction with the two terms. So taking LCM, the LCM is mn. M into n gives you mn. Since you have m here, you have to multiply with n. So n of x minus n minus the LCM is mn. You have n. To get mn, we should multiply with m. So m of x minus m is equal to m by n. Now nx minus n square multiplying with n and mx minus into minus gives you plus m square by here it is mn by m by n. Now transposing the terms, the denominator by cross multiplication I can write. Club the x terms first, nx minus mx minus n square plus m square is equal to m into mn by n. Since the operation is multiplication, n and n get cancelled here in one's. Next, taking x as common from this. So x of, I can write n minus m minus n square plus m square. M into m gives you m square. Now x into n minus m minus n square plus m square transposing that side becomes minus m square minus n square is 0. Now x into n minus m minus n square is equal to 0. Our intention is to get the value of x, nothing but solving the equation. So since the operation between x and n minus m is multiplication, now after this step minus n square transposed to RHS implies I am going to get x of n minus m is equal to n square. Since the operation is multiplication, it becomes division, implies x is equal to n square by n minus m. So here the condition where n is not equal to m. So the solution for the given equation is x is equal to n square by n minus m. This holds good when n is not equal to m. Then only our x value will satisfy the given equation. If suppose n equal to m, what happens? Nothing but it becomes denominator becomes 0. Hence there exists no solution. If n is equal to m, then there is no solution. Now let us proceed our problem here. Here our x value is n square by n minus m under the condition where n is not equal to m. Here if n is equal to m, what happens? Then there is no solution for equation 1. Hence or therefore I can say that x is equal to n square by n minus m where n is not equal to m is a solution of the given equation, first equation. So in this way we can continue our problem to solve the linear equation in one variable even though it is connected with your 8th class or 9th class concepts with their regular state board syllabus, and very important for your various competitive examinations. Here m and n are the parameters, the constants, and x is a variable. Solving for x here, this holds good when n is not equal to m and n nothing but m and n are distinct, different here. Further, the x value is n square by n minus m. If n is equal to m, nothing is defined here because something by 0 gives you undefined, hence there is no solution for 1 if n is equal to m. In this way we can overcome the problem. Hello viewers, after watching the video you can give your valuable suggestions and subscribe my channel for getting more exciting videos in the coming days. Thank you.